Have you ever wondered if artificial intelligence could play a role in understanding and improving our mental health? It's a question worth pondering, isn't it? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer just the stuff of science fiction. It's all around us, shaping the way we shop, work, and even socialize. Now, think about the potential of harnessing this technology to support mental well-being. In a world where mental health issues are increasingly prevalent, innovative solutions are needed more than ever. We're talking about conditions that affect millions globally, from anxiety and depression to more severe disorders. The traditional one-size-fits-all approach to mental health care often falls short, leaving many without the help they need. But what if AI could change this? Imagine a personalized approach to mental health, with AI algorithms that understand and cater to individual needs. Imagine a world where AI doesn't just power our smartphones and computers, but also helps us lead healthier, happier lives. But how could artificial intelligence possibly contribute to mental wellness, you may ask? Well, let's journey into the fascinating world of AI and mental health. Picture this. AI algorithms are capable of identifying patterns in a person's behavior, speech, or social media activity that might suggest a mental health issue. Imagine a world where these subtle signals of distress are picked up early, leading to timely intervention and support. Moreover, AI has the potential to provide tailored mental health resources and support. It can suggest personalized coping strategies, therapeutic exercises, or even recommend professional help based on individual needs and preferences. This is not just about convenience, but about reaching those who might otherwise slip through the cracks. AI is also breaking down barriers to mental health care, making it more accessible. With AI-powered apps and platforms, mental health support is literally at our fingertips anytime, anywhere. AI holds the power to revolutionize mental